I received my envelope from Influenster for the Filippo Berio extra virgin olive oil. Let's see what is inside. I already cut it open. Have the magnet, which shows you the difference between the butter and oil, which looks like oil is a lot healthier. We have the instructions, some history on the oils, the tasting supplies, procedures, the different kinds of oils. Have some coupons for the oil. Have to use some of these. Lastly, 101 ways to use the oil, which I think is a pretty cool little book. I'd use 100 different ways to use the oil. And that was what was in my envelope.